There's nothing enlightening about playing small. What do I mean by this, right? I got this quote from Coach Carter, and I always saw this quote. I saw this quote when I was in high school, right? And I never used to think much of it. You know, where he says like, there's nothing enlightening about playing small. We're all children of God, yada, yada, yada. You guys know how the quote goes. I might just put a clip up here.
Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We were all meant to shine as children do. It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
You guys know how the quote goes, but it's always glossed over. And I always glossed over, right? I never really understood what it meant until like I grew up, got a little bit older, and because my whole life I feel like a lot of times, you know, I'd be playing small, right? Just so I don't ruffle any feathers. I would constantly kind of just like, I would constantly just like play small so that people don't feel insecure around me, trying to like downplay yourself, right? People will downplay you and you kind of run with it, right? And I had to realize that there's nothing enlightening about that, right? You playing small does nothing. It does nothing for humanity. You actually become a detriment to humanity when you play small, because with you playing small, you can't inspire other people to bring themselves up, right? Because you're playing small, society or humanity, if you will, doesn't advance because you're playing small, right? Because your contributions, your success can catapult everybody else to success, because they will see you shining and then everybody else gets inspired off that, right? And it creates like a ripple effect, and then everybody gets to win because you decided to play big and go for the big leads, right? So there's nothing enlightening about playing small so that other people don't feel insecure around you, right? It's natural that people are gonna feel insecure around you. They're gonna feel some type of way, right? But that has nothing to do with you. It has more to do with them. So they gotta deal with that shit, right? That has nothing to do with you, right? So you gotta understand that there is nothing enlightening about playing small. You gotta play big. You gotta be the best version of yourself. Even if people don't like that, even if it pisses people off, good. You know what I mean? Because eventually it might even inspire them to do better for themselves, right? And also it's just not ideal to like lower yourself for other people, right? And you'll realize that the people who actually like belong in your life will encourage you to grow, and they won't bring you down. They won't hate on you. They won't downplay what you have going on, right? Your real friends, there are people who actually want to see you win. They will encourage you and push you to keep going, right? And that was a lesson that, you know, it took me a while to learn, but eventually I did learn it, right? And I still, at times, I'm a human being, right? I still forget sometimes, and that's why I save it on my phone. Like I look at it and I be like, there's nothing enlightening about playing small. I have to remind myself every day, there's nothing enlightening about playing small, right? Because we all have the power, right? We're all children of God, right? We all have the power within us. It's in everybody, right? It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone, right? So why are we playing small? It's kind of like, you know, when they teach us, you know, if you went to church and stuff, they teach us kind of like the body of Christ, right? And it's like everybody is like it's like a tree or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's like a tree or something, but we all have something to like contribute to it, right? We all have something to contribute to the greatness of God's kingdom, right? So us playing small, it doesn't inspire anybody, right? It doesn't inspire anybody. You might as well play big and inspire the rest of the body, kind of thing, right? Hopefully that made sense. I hope you guys got what I mean by that, but that's kind of all the laws I wanted to talk about in this video. If you like this clip and you want to watch another one, click right here. And if you want to watch the full podcast, click right here, like right now. I don't know what you're waiting for.